everybody. Yo fam here with YoFishing. Here's the crew. Check it out. 3rd of July, we're getting ready to go hit the canoes. What are we going to do today, guys? What are we going to do on the river?
Canoe the river.
Okay, what up? Bailey, what are we going to do today?
Canoe on the rivers.
You want to try to catch a fish today? Okay, what about you, Hadley? There, what you want to do?
Gonna canoe on the river.
Awesome. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, listen, we're getting ready to load up, head that way. We'll check back in on the river. Let's go.
We made it.
All right. So we're here, guys. We getting ready to go get our canoes, and we're going to be on the river here in just a minute. We got a beautiful day. It's hot out, yeah?
Really hot.
Really hot. We may have to do some swimming today, huh?
Yeah, definitely.
A little bit of swimming? Definitely swimming? Yeah. I think I might hop in today. We'll see. Okay? Look at all these canoes over here, guys. I mean, there's a lot of canoes over there.
We need all those.
A lot of canoes. Yeah, we're going to take all of the canoes.
There's
all
like
right.
10 kajillion.
There is like 10 canoes. Oh, we ain't tipping, though. Not today.
No tipple canoeing?
What's the over under on how many fish you catch?
Ooh. Well, it depends on how long you want to fish. I'm going to say...
Grayson Banks. You can catch one every time.
Hey, Bailey, how many fish do you think we catch today? 6? Well, all right, over under 6.
How many poles did you bring?
This is great. All right, you getting ready to get this adventure started. Did you know how much paperwork is involved in renting a canoe? A bunch. We got a portfolio over here going. How you doing there, Dave? You got riders? You got a rider's cramp going?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yo!
And we are loaded up, baby.
Yo!
We're rolling. How you doing back there, Banks?
Got one more to go. I wish I could take 2 at once, but I can't.
They put us to work, man.
If you can get one down by yourself.
They put us to
Honestly,
work.
Not that bad. Once you get it up on your shoulders.
Here we
Once
go,
you know
guys.
what
Check it out.
Leverage points on.
Yeah. 90% taking.
Hey, we're here, baby. Let's go. And we're off. We're off. And Banks and Gracie getting ready for lunch.
You're the captain. You're at the front.
Woo!
All right, you guys
All
ready?
right.
All right, Gracie Banks.
Have fun, y'all.
Let's see it.
And we are launched. Davey, what do you think? Yeah. And we're going. Man, guys, beautiful day. Had a little bit of rain this week, so the river is a little high, but it's really nice because we're moving. I mean, just, you know, we don't even have to paddle. We're just cruising right now. So,
Paddle.
you want to paddle?
Yeah.
Well, this man wants to paddle. But you see the water is a little murky. It's a little high, and so fishing may be a little bit of a challenge today, but we're not too concerned about fishing, honestly. We're out here to just have a good time with our friends and family. All right, love y'all. Just a cruising. Grayson, you're doing awesome. Grayson's leading the charge. Love it. Whoa, Bailey, good job.
You boys got fishing poles now. It'd be a good time to fish.
Do we got fishing poles?
While this water's calm like
Does a one-legged duck swim in a circle?
Get them poles wet. Wet the line.
Let's roll, baby. Hey, what are you guys doing over there? We've been on the river about, I don't know. What are you doing, Connor? You crazy boy.
Going through the rapids!
Even bigger than last time.
Oh, that's a big one, Mommy. Whoa, let's go. Yeah.
Yeah,
Man.
boy.
We had that like champs. Here comes the Gibson family. We think they got an Evan root on that. I think they got an Evan root. Look at them going. Man alive. They're coming fast out of those rapids today.
Ain't playing.
No, they ain't playing. Not today. It's awesome.
Okay.
Hadley, you got snacks going? Hey, Hadley, is all that paddling getting you real hungry? Yeah. Love it. Well, guys, we're getting ready. I think we're going to find a little beachy spot, hopefully in the shade, and we might go for a little swim and get a little fishing in.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had found ducky, snake, and a turtle.
Yeah, oh, yeah, we did see a turtle too, didn't we? It's awesome.
It was so slow. It looked like it wasn't moving.
So we have parked. And I'll tell you what, guys. You see the river's moving pretty swift. I mean, it's moving today. But you can see right over here, Daddy has spotted a nice little fishing hole. Water's calm, got a little shade. We're gonna see what we can get done. Let's see if we can get these kids pumped up and get them a fish, okay? Fingers crossed. What? I ain't catching no fish. Dang it, you're right.
Mary's turn.
Oh, got one, baby! Right here at me. Oh! Real small little fish. Whoa.
Good timing. Good timing.
Heck yeah. Here. Here, Brent's gonna unhook him. That way the hook don't get okay? Then nobody can touch it. Put your finger on it. He feels so weird. He's adorable. There we go. Let me get the hook out of the way. Hold, put your thumb in his mouth. There we go, baby. Yo, fishing. So now Daddy caught one. The interest has risen quickly in fishing. And Miss Grayson just told me, she said, what did you just tell me? She says,
I got the same fish 3 times.
She caught the same fish 3 times one time. And it was spiky?
Yeah.
Where was it at?
In the lake in our neighborhood.
Nice. Cool. So we're going to get Grayson set up with the pole. We'll see what she can do today. Let's go. What you got there?
A big log.
Can you skip that big rock?
Like that. That's a
On my
good.
thing.
You think so? Hey, Dad, you think she can skip that big rock?
Let's try it. Make sure you don't skip it over Grayson's face. Let's go.
Don't skip rocks on the face. That's a good call.
Oh, no skips.
I don't know. I saw a little one. That's a little skip. Well, Brenton's hung up. I think Davy's got a fish, though. Yeah, he does. He got one. Oh, keep reeling, Davy. Here, Davy, walk backwards. Walk. Oh, it's a big fish. Come on, Davy. Walk this way. Ooh, walk this way. Walk this way. Watch out. Yeah, my man. Yeah, walk him up here. Keep on walking, Davy. Walk up to the bank. Whoa, my man. Hey, Davy, that's some yo fishing. Huh? Yeah. Hey, Clay Banks, let's go. Hey, Davy. Yo, man, let's go. Let's go. Nice fish, Davy. Davy, look at me. Davy, look at me. Dang, son. Hey. Hey, my boy. Good work, dude. Good work. Wow. Look at this, baby. Yeah. Yeah, Grayson got a nice one, too. Did you let him go, Davy? Whoa, he is big, Grayson. You said it. You caught it. Oh, man. Oh. Hey, I saw him do it earlier. I was asking you to do it again. I didn't know if he could do it again. Yeah, we were trying to get that one on video. It was nice. It was nice.
I skipped 3 times.
Nice. Hadley, how many times you skip? One skip. That's pretty good, though. That's pretty good. Got sideways on you, Banks. Oh, that's a good one. Oh! So, across the river.
See it.
Get it. Oh, Lord. How about that? I meant throw it across the river. I meant throw it across the river.
That wasn't the best skip in the world, but it was good.
You got seashells? Let me see them. Look at those seashells. Those are so cool. What's your hat say?
Mermaid hair don't care.
Mermaid hat don't care. I love it. That's cute.
Check this one.
Let's see it. Oh, that's like some kind of gemstone, isn't it?
Yeah. I have another one at home.
Cool.
Like,
Did you?
You missed it. I made it.
You're a trustworthy man. You're a man of integrity. Yo fishing, we believe you, Clay Banks.
Hey, Bailey.
Especially for right now.
What you chewing on?
Anywhere else. That's why we
Yeah,
were like,
babe.
well, that's
What
not
is
that
that?
bad. We're not gonna go on any other vacations.
Chomping on some ice?
Exactly. There's like 50 people around. No, yeah.
Whoa. Hey, big dog.
We have united as one on the 3rd of July.
America.
America.
Go USA.
Hey Heather, let me see that hat. Turn around here. Let me see that. So we want everybody to comment below who's got the best USA hat. There's what, oh Lord, look at that one.
America.
Oh, which of the Gibsons wore it better? Comment below. Tell us, Dave or Heather. What was that?
I need to take my hat off. Can you hold my hat?
Yeah, I'll hold your hat. Hey, good spot. That's awesome. Yo! Man, you guys are moving fast. Meow. Meow. We got the stop gates down here. I love it. Dude, this is a good spot. This is a great spot, man.
Welcome to Opryland.
Yeah. Hey, they close down the water parks, theme parks, we create our own, right boys?
Yeah, right.
I love it, man. Look at Hadley coming down here.
Hi.
Hey, baby, grab the rope. Grab the rope right there. Oh.
Oh! You gotta wait in line. Oh. And this is where the daddy's coming in. Good job, Connor boy. Oh man, Bailey found a branch. She's hanging on. Here goes Connor. Baby, sit down. Time to get out. Pretty awesome trip, huh, boys?
I'm gonna jump in.
Love you guys.
Yo!
Everybody have a good time today?
One more time, I say,
Yo! Awesome trip, guys. Man, this is what it's about. Best fun you can have for the buck, that's for sure. Can't beat a day on the river. Hey, much love to everybody. Happy 4th of July. We love you all. All right, yo fishing, baby. What are we gonna do, Bailey?
Watch fireworks.
What are we gonna do, Hadley?
Watch fireworks.
Davey, what we doing?
Let's go!
What we doing, Davey? Chris, what we gonna go do?
Fireworks.
Okay, let's go watch fireworks. Yeah, we just got soaking wet. The sprinklers came on, so we're sitting and watching the fireworks. It's awesome. Oh, wow.
Yeah!
Oh, man, it's epic. What a way to end the day, Banks. Let's go, baby.